Alright guys, so this is my top 10 best female dancehall artist list. Not for no one, my top 10. So nobody come cuss me and war with me in the comments. Number 10, Tifa. So it might be hard to believe, but you see at one point, Tifa did a run dancehall for the woman them. Spell it out, still play to this day. Number 9, Jada Kingdom. Say whatever you want about Jada Kingdom, the person, cool. But the talent, you can't deny the talent. Like her vocal delivery is unmatched. Number 8, J. Capri. May her soul rest in peace. Yo, J. Capri was so versatile. She was able to blend hardcore dancehall with pop. She had the potential to be the next big thing. Number 7, Maka Diamond. So Maka Diamond, she raw, she theatrical, she just have a presence about her. You see me? When it comes to female dancehall, legend. Number 6, Shensia. So it's kind of crazy because Shensia has been in the industry for more than a decade now. But for some reason, I still consider her somewhat of a new gen dancehall artist, if that makes sense. But I feel like she's proven herself. 5, Cecile. I always have a love for Cecile. Her music is so diverse. And she's really talented too. Number 4, Patra. So me I bring you back all the way into the 90s. Patra was like a sex symbol of the 90s. The music is timeless. Number 3, Tanya Stevens. Is it Tanya Stevens? She's just simply one of a kind. Tanya was tackling some subject matters in her music, like all the way back in the late 90s, early 2000s. Things that could have possibly ended her career. That's how bold she was. She never did a try to follow like the trends at that time. She didn't have her own lane. Number 2, Spice. Spice has been so consistent throughout the years, not just with the music, but also with her branding. She know how to keep us talking. But you see, she not just have controversy at work for her, she also have talent. Before we go to number 1, let's big up the honorable mentions. And number 1, we have Lady Saw, the original queen of the dancehall. You see me? Did you agree with my list? Follow me for more.